Wow. And look at that. That's chicken curry. All right, check it out, guys. It's Trevor James. And today in this video, we are bringing you for two incredible Malaysian street food meals that are worth moving to this city, Kuala Lumpur, for. First up, we are going down into the streets, filmed pre-COVID, to try some incredible food you're gonna wanna watch the whole way through this video for. Let's eat. This is it, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, the ultimate food heaven on earth. And our new home base, we're gonna be showing you a lot more of once things get into the new normal. But first, today, we're bringing you for two incredible meals you need to try when you visit Kuala Lumpur. Let's eat. Awesome, guys. And first up, to start the day, we're going strong to try Malaysia's ultimate specialty, roti canai flooded. Hi. Hi, boss. How are you? Mansion tea stall. How are you? Oh, teh tarik. Look at this, guys. How are you, boss? Oh, teh tarik. Wow. Malaysia specialty. Watch this, guys. We're gonna get teh tarik, cold tea, and oh, here we go. Condensed milk. So it's tea. He's just steeping it in this giant strainer, and he's gonna pull it. Condensed milk. Oh, that's the sweet stuff. Look at this. Set up. Wow. Oh, and here's the teh tarik. Look at that. Wow. Very nice. Oh, look at how tall it goes. Look at that. Malaysia number one. Mansion tea stall. Look at this. And there it is. Look how foamy it is. Teh tarik. Your name?
Ibrahim.
Say Ibrahim. Ibrahim is the master here. So we're gonna have teh tarik and then roti canai. Hi, boss. How are you? So this is the roti canai. Wow. Special. And what's so special about Mansion Tea Stall here is you can get your roti canai. Watch how they flip it. It's kind of like paratha in India. It's flipped and then put on the grill. Sit up. This is amazing. And then put right on the grill here and flipped, and you get crispy, just like paratha. Oh, and here we go. Look at this special. Roti canai, chopped up. And this is sambal. Sambal, Malaysia specialty. That's gonna be a sweet, spicy sambal. Load with dal. And fish curry. Fish curry mix. Mix. That's the best. Sambal. Thank you. Ooh. And watch the egg. Soft boiled egg. Wow. That is beautiful. Two. Look at that. Thank you very much. And there they are. Roti canai special. Thank you, boss. Number one.
Number one, roti canai special.
Roti canai special. Mansion tea stall.
Yeah, mansion tea stall.
Beautiful. Let's try it out. Oh, and look at this. We got more curry here. That's chicken curry. So we've got the biryani, chicken, fish, chicken, bird, quail egg, quail, bird, quail, mutton, and then even more. We got fried chicken, we got prawn, we got squid. Oh, and look at that. Fried fish. Ikan. This is why Malaysia is amazing. Malaysia specials. Thank you. Very nice. Oh, and here it is. Roti canai special. Roti canai special. Thank you, boss. Sit up. Oh, and there's our teh tarik. Look at that. Thank you, boss. Oh, thank you. Oh, look at this. We got the roti canai flooded special with two soft boiled gooey eggs and a scoop of delicious sambal. This is mixed special goodness. And you can just get it all gooey. Wow. The egg yolk is gonna mix in there. And it's a curry harmony. You can see in the back, they're just mixing up the curry, the dal and the fish curry into the roti. Oh! What's this?
Goyang.
Goyam. Special. Look at the eggs. Thank you. Good food here. And we're gonna try this out. Mmm. Oh wow. Mmm. Whoa. That is delicious. Wow. It is so rich and eggy and gooey from the yolk. It's like a universe. That's like a universe of curry. Thank you, boss. With Tay Dong Dong. Thank you. And you can wash it down. Oh. This is why you come to Malaysia. Frothy milk tea, friendly people, delicious curry, and wow. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you. See you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And next up, guys, we are in Little India, Brickfields, Kuala Lumpur. This is a multicultural homeland. We're gonna go for a full-on banana leaf brunch right up here, deep in Little India. We're meeting up with our good buddy Alan right up here. He's brought us here a couple times before, and we're gonna feast. There's gonna be a ton of food today. Let's check it out. And here we are. Hey, buddy. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Oh, and this is it here.
Yeah,
Oh, Vishnu Food and Catering. And we're early. Oh, man. This is it, banana leaf heaven. Wow. How are you? Oh, this is the banana leaf. Wow, look at this. This is gonna be covered in rice and curry. Sit up. So each one of these is gonna be covered in rice and curry, and we've got the curry selection over here. Wow. This is great. Wow, look at all these curries. So what do we got here?
This you have dal.
Dal, okay.
Yes, dal curry.
Dal curry. What about this?
Tofu.
Oh, tofu.
Yes.
Spicy tofu.
No, this normal.
Normal.
Yes.
Wow. And then here's the pad thai.
Yes. This pad thai sambal.
Pad thai sambal, that is amazing.
Yeah.
Malaysian special.
Yes.
Awesome.
This you have vegetarian fish.
Vegetarian fish.
Yes.
And then we've got some potato chips.
Chips. Potato.
Indian style.
Yes.
With curry leaves.
Yes.
Wow. And then here's all the non-veg.
Not bad.
The best stuff. Oh,
You have this fish curry.
fish curry.
Yes.
Oh, wow. And then so many meat down here too.
Yeah, this you have prawn.
Prawn, sotong.
This intestine model.
Oh, intestine.
Yeah.
Wow.
This you have mutton.
Mutton bone shank with the bone marrow.
Yeah.
Wow. That's creamy.
Yes.
And then,
This you have mutton.
oh,
This you have mutton dry.
oh, and dry style.
Dry mutton, can you?
Yeah, look at that with the onions and the curry leaves. And then here's the chicken.
Yes, this you have chicken curry, dry chicken, chicken
chicken.
masala,
Chicken.
chicken barbal. This you have chicken Kerala,
Oh, chicken Kerala.
very spicy.
Southern Indian style.
Yeah.
Very
this
spicy.
is Spicy.
Really?
Yes, very spicy.
Wow.
This you have black pepper chicken.
Black pepper chicken.
Yes.
We're gonna have a big banana leaf.
Yes,
Thank you, boss.
thank you.
Thank you. Let's go try it out. Wow, look at these curries. Looks really good, eh? Let's try it out. This is one of the things I love about Malaysia is the multicultural, the aspects of all the different food and the cultures. Oh, and here's the veg. Here's the veg.
Yes, vegetables.
Okay. So we got the green bean, potato. Oh,
Mixed potato, carrot.
wow. Color, look at that. Oh, oh. And then the, what's this?
I think it's like melon.
Oh,
Some kind of cucumber.
Chinak.
oh wow.
Wow, nice.
This is one of the most beautiful things. Eating with hand. Banana leaf, Malaysian Indian banana leaf. Eating with hand. Yeah. Raita, the yogurt with carrot and onion. Oh, and that mixes with the rice so well.
It's like an Indian coleslaw.
Indian coleslaw.
Indian rice.
Indian rice.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, and here we go.
Chicken curry.
Chicken curry.
Yeah.
This is my favorite spot right here.
Curry.
The curry on the rice. Chicken curry?
Yeah.
Wow. And the fish curry.
Fish.
The flavors here.
Curry.
Oh. Fish and chicken mix.
Yeah.
Wow. Maybe one more fish?
Oh, sorry.
One more fish? It's okay? Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
You want to say? This fish curry.
Wow, look at the color. Life is good. Chicken curry, fish curry.
Chicken curry.
It's a universe of flavor in there. The spicy, the sour,
Yes,
all mixing. And here's the best part. Oh, hi boss. So what do we have here today? Chicken, lamb. Oh, look at the mutton bone.
You want to try those marrows?
I think we should get the marrow, slip the marrow. Let's get a marrow. And what else do we have? Oh, sotong.
Yeah, the sotong as well.
Sweet. Okay. Oh, squid. Let's try a sotong. Oh, and here's the fish cutlets.
Yeah.
Hi, boss. Thank you.
We should try the one with the boneless one. Yeah,
Okay.
Take one of each.
Okay. Oh, and you have the fish cutlet. Let's take fish cutlet. Oh, thank you, boss. Oh, petai. Okay. So you get the meat tray, then you get the veggie tray.
Yeah.
Bitter gourd. Oh, and the papad.
We have that as well. But,
Oh, yeah. And it's all here. Look at this. We got the chicken curry. We got the slurp-worthy bone marrow, the mutton bone with cinnamon. You can see there's giant cinnamon chunks in there. We got the classic petai sambal. Oh, and the acha. We got the sotong, the squid. And then this here. Look at this. Oh, wow. That's the joy. Let's start with one of the boldest flavors we've got here. Stink bean sambal. Here, take some of that.
oh, thank you.
Oh.
Wow.
This is one of the joys of life right here. Petai, the stinkiest, most potent bean you'll ever taste. And you
Believe it
can
or not, it's very highly nutrition.
Really?
Level. Yeah, it is. It's not just stink, but it's good.
It's good for you too.
health. Yeah, it's good for you.
That's the good stuff. Try it out. Mmm. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Oh, that is stinky. That curry on the rice, the chicken, and the fish curry, mixed with the petai, is out of this world. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Sit up. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mmm. Oh yeah. Honestly, this is why Malaysia is the best. Look at this feast we're having.
Whoa.
So much flavor, so much color. You can't beat this. That was delicious. Hope you guys enjoyed this street food video. Please make sure to click that subscribe button and the little bell notification button down below so you don't miss any of these uploads. And I hope you're staying safe and healthy and positive during these times. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.